Samsung Galaxy S24 pre-order leak reveals upgrades and perks with top-tier variant. The internet's been buzzing with rumors suggesting January 16th to be the release date of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, while also reflecting on what these game-changing devices can offer us. The most recent leak suggests video recording upgrades on the Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, along with some pre-order perks. Regular models have been rumored to be listed with a lower price tag than their predecessors. On the contrary, the top-tier model, Galaxy S24 Ultra, is expected to get pricier with all three storage options. A source revealed on X that Samsung's upcoming flagship Galaxy S24 smartphones will have a slightly lower price than initially anticipated. The leak also added that there's a substantial stock of the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, indicating the company's confidence in the success of these upcoming devices. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 series is reported to include the capability to view HDR photos. Samsung retailers in Brazil have also started teasing the phone ahead of the debut. It was suggested that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have the capability to capture videos at 4K with a frame rate of 120 frames per second. In comparison, the current Galaxy S23 Ultra supports both 8K and 4K video recording, but the 8K videos are limited to 30 frames per second and the 4K videos are limited to 60 frames per second. Moreover, according to publication, Samsung is set to offer pre-order incentives to early purchasers of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As has happened in the past, initial buyers may enjoy complimentary upgrades to higher storage capacities without incurring extra charges. Furthermore, it's reported that additional pre-order perks may consist of discount coupons for the Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Buds FE. Walmart accidentally displayed the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus before the speculated January 17th launch. The listing shows the device in an onyx black color with 12 GB of RAM. A screenshot from the online listing showcases the handset's AI-driven functionalities, including live translate, generative edit, and nightography zoom. The listing by the online retailer suggests a 4900 mAh battery and a 6.7-inch display for the Galaxy S24 Plus, bigger than the 6.6-inch screen on the Galaxy S23.